अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you garden decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, paint your flower pots painting. Paint your all pot with bright color. You can draw flowers, heart or simple lines. Let's make your garden look happy. And viewers, hanging bottles, use plastic bottle, cut them and put them salts. Salt inside, hang them on a wall or tree. Grow small plants have and viewers, and friends, stone paths. Use small stones to make a path. Put stones in a line of the ground. It's look clean and beautiful. Weavers and old tire planter. Take an old tire, paint it with bright color, put salt and flowers inside. Good ideas for recycling. And viewers, I hope you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers,